Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The stochastic RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.8% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
India's gold imports more than doubled to $38 billion during April through December this fiscal on account of higher demand, according to data of the Commerce Ministry. The American owners of Boots are seeking up to £7 billion for the pharmacy chain as does financial backers join a raft of private equity firms readying bids. China's improving consumer and factory gate inflation outlook will leave more room for easing monetary policy in the coming months, with next week's headline growth rate figures set to confirm the anticipated slowdown.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 0000 hours GMT. Italy's Consumer Price Index at 0900 GMT. Germany's German BUBA monthly report at 1100 GMT. Japan's Tertiary Industry Index will be released at 0430 GMT. The UK's Rightmove House Price Index at 0101 minute GMT. The UK's NIESR GDP estimate at 1300 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.